There was a blacksmith who placed raw iron into the fire. The heat was intense and the sparks flew and the metal glowed red. And someone watching asked, "Why so much fire?" And the blacksmith replied, "Because only the fire can shape what's strong enough to last." Sometimes life feels like that furnace: pressure, pain, and heat. And you wonder why God allows it. But He's not burning you, He's building you. 1 Peter 1:7 says, "Your faith is tested by fire, so that it may result in praise, glory, and honor." God uses the fire to refine, not destroy. What feels like breaking is actually shaping. So when the heat rises, don't run, but stay in His hands, because when you come out, you'll shine like gold. God bless you.